Hi guys, so today I'm with Chetan and we will have a reaction video for the first album. The first of course, none other than Martin. It has 13 songs, 36 minutes. Nag-best ko na itong pakinggan ko. Wala yung reaction video. Let's start. Italy. Narinig ko. Sabi din naman ko to. This is Toronto Window.
I never thought that I could dream in detail. Always felt that all I really had to do was to just be faithful, and that's it. In a way, I wasn't really going forward with my faith much, but to actually dream in detail for something that's bigger than my own life, and then to put that dream and drive and reason as the base of everything that I do. That's life, you know?
Window of
First fruits of all your crops. Now that I can see the path with a new set of eyes, my life makes so much more sense now. First of the first fruits.
First of the first.
Looking back to Toronto like a window. Ever since I was born. My mom raised me like an angel. My dad taught me how to fight devils.
So that's the first song. Toronto's Window. It's like intro of the Martin. Toronto Windows for Mark grew up in Toronto. Basically, the intro of it. We are in the second song. 1999. 1999.
Well, listen to me. Listen. Mark Lee, back again. What's up? What's the testament? She go down the floor, I'm breaking it. Algorithm tidy up the Doja Cat like cool, cool, young saying now we're up, get a brain slap, y'all saying get what like a mom said. I'ma wake him up, I'ma wake him up, I'ma wake him up. Not day, take you on that dream. Smoke out of your jet. Gotta go, I'ma wake up, so I wake up, say okay. Only today after my boy, I feel reborn. You think but I know, baby. 자꾸 뵙고 싶고 다시 느껴나. Today I feel so low, feels like 99. 99, yeah, 99. 99, yeah, 99. 99, yeah, 99. 기가 막히네. 아침에 오케이 아왜 돼 like that, you know what's that. 하루밤낮을 바뀌는 세상 말고 난가 know he teach me on this survival. What's the that thing? 10년 동안 나갔던 너무 one to 100. 모두 밤에 니를 알게. So fine. Well, listen to me. 자꾸 뵙고 싶고 다시 느껴나. Today I feel so low, feels like 99. 99, 99. Oh, baby, that key was my game. Seeing your eye, today you watch my guitar game. Only for my question remade. So I will see the plan. Yeah, you ain't listening. Let me show you what was going to be. Let me show you what was going to be. What you mean? Let me show you what was going to be. I was always meant to be yours.
Let's bring it back.
So, that's the second song. Basically, yung title is 1999, which is Marty's birth year. So, really catchy. So, parang mapapasayaw ka dun. Really catchy. Perfect title for Marty's song. So, yung third song is Flight to NYC, New York. Flight to NYC.
Where?
Flight to NYC.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Flight 990 bound for Newport. We will be departing shortly. Please make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching John F. Kennedy International Airport, New York. Please bring carry on and open your window shade.
Very short intro for the 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth song is Right Shoes. Sobrang strong. Sobrang strong. Sobrang perfect for solo concert. Sobrang ganda ng rap.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, wait, wait. On a different ocean, we can't wait. Working down the moon, doing how you do. The question like a selfie move. Right? Watch out for the rain, baby. Right? Oh God, there's a dollar break. Right, right, right. Nigga, my head on the door and still fucking the chicken about the giant on it. Easy time, easy shit on my face. So quick, now the diamond from the dark, but the damn for the shit. Nigga, my head on it stick. And that chicken about the giant on it. Easy time, easy shit on my face. So quick, now the diamond from the dark, but the damn for the shit. Nigga, my head on it stick. And that chicken about the giant on it. Bad that I represent. Right? One time for the main event. Oh God, there's a world away. Right, 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 right.
So that's the 1, 2, 3, 4 fourth song. Really strong compared dun sa mga nauna. And the rap, it's so giving and perfect for solo concerts. The next song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth song. Black Sheep. Release na third yan siya. Yung just really pretty. And really talent.
You notice? Now got some paper shoot out popped it, don't pockets, bombs and swapping coffins, monsters conscious, and it's all like that. Big mountain man, go ball like that. Between 19 and border back through phones on fire, can't get the most pit. Ooh, raise your glow, I'm dressed up polo. Ooh, bless your mind, bless my job, yeah, where's my over? Ooh, you ain't my phone, why do you think I'm a bravo? I can't resist. We have a plot, see. So now me and my wife make a will swim. Just sauce and don't play with me, I will swim. Listen, always been a mission. Cause I waste no time, I'll teach it. Watch the serious no watches. Yeah, 스케줄이면 깨지 않은 way. Baby, listen, 내 맘이 지운 honeymoon night ways. I said, listen, that's who got away. Listen, police crossing, your cheating trying to shoot. I said, wait, name somebody who could juggle 3 teams, still come up with the best solo album at the same time with the rest, time with the rest. Back on my mover. Keep up and down, look at me now, God is my power. I'm NCT. You don't notice? Now got some paper shoot out pocket, don't seem pocket, boxes, swapping coffins, monsters conscious, it's all like that. Big mountain man, go ball like that. To the 19 and border, two points on fire, can't get them off. Ooh, raise your glow, I'm dressed up polo. Ooh, bless your love, bless my job, yeah, where's my over? Ooh, that ain't my fault, why do you think I'm a bravo, I can't resist. They have a plot, see. 내가 말해줄게 나는 feel so
연기.
always pressure me. 떨어질 때는 이 없어 그리 박아버리니까. Ain't not a free coach. Once you did it, all you see, so that's why people call you delusional. 1, 2, let me bring another one. Get forget that I had to get there. I just see you're getting emergency. Please I put it on to bring another beat down. I'm a cocker rose. Black hotel 저기 하나 더. 가만히 여러 개인 괴물이 됐으니까 나도 와부터. Run it back. So who can't throw it back? 나 몰입해 이래서부터 뺏고 강자 열심히 해먹대. Name somebody who can sugar like me with his own funny makeup. Don't be my shit, think colors Bobby or a mommy. 나는 거기 써있겠지 뭐. Gotcha. You don't notice? Now got some paper shoot out pocket, 떨어진 pocket, bombs and swapping coffins, monsters conscious, it's all like that. Big mountain man, go ball like that. To the 19 and border back, 2 points on fire, keep it the most pit. Ooh, bless my mind, raise your glow, I'm dressed up polo. Ooh, bless your mind, bless my job, yeah, where's my over? Ooh, you ain't my fault, why do you think I'm a bravo, I can't resist. They got a plot, see. I fly with my little eye, to keep the hype girl. I spy with my little eye, who's the house boy? King of Brown. I'm so curious, 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 I'm so curious. You don't notice?
So that's Rakchi. There's already a pre-release and they really good. I mean, good. Sobrang isa sa inabangan ko to. Vancouver. Basically, Vancouver and Mark's vocal, guys. Hindi ko malaglag. Guys, ang vocals ni Mark. I really love rock lines vocal. Because, guys, pag sa concert, pero pala, Vancouver. Ganda ng boses mo, guys. So that's Vancouver. Sobrang ganda ng vocals ni Mark. Kasi inaabangan ko to talaga. Never disappoint. Next song is Loser. Sobrang ganda din. Sobrang ganda ng vocals niya. More songs like this one.
crush, maybe I'm the loser. Yeah, yeah, I don't wanna lose her. Yeah, I don't wanna lose her. Yeah, baby, don't you go, don't you go. I just say no more, too. But I don't wanna lose her. I don't wanna lose her. Yeah, yeah. Baby, don't you know, don't you know, I just see you go. I don't wanna lose her. Who's the loser? Who's the loser?
So that loser. Diba, sobrang ganda lang ng vocals ni Mark. That's watching TV with crush. It's really good. Next one. Next one. The one with headshot. Of course, this is my favorite. Of course, with headshot. This is also a pre-release. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda din ang Korean nito. Ganda lang ng vocals na Haechan guys. I can Cause it ain't my bed. Got a person calling me. 물 수가 없는 걸. 럼 빰 빰. It's Haechan guys. The Haechan Lee. 물 수가 없는 걸. So that's so sweet. Sobrang ganda ng Haechan rock skill. Ay, Haechan. Or rock ears and her sensual heart. Really perfect combination. Pati yung choreo guys, sobrang ganda. Ganda talaga ng dynamics ng vocals nila and rap. And also the dance style. Like, Match in Heaven. Perfect. 1 million over 10. Song. Also a prayer.
First you crashed into my
100.
life and you just broke my
Really good song, of course.
You had me shocked. 난 또 살고 있어 머릿속 drama. Who told me love would come down like a million rocks? The rock you came with was an alibi. You and I, we had the same disguise. 너 사진 캡도 깔았었잖아. 또 밤이 올 때까지 carry on. You are a rock star. Without you, I'll always feel alone. When I'm lost, you got me home. Yeah, you are my home. Nothing is about me. You're number 106 and I'm not default. Talking to your conscience, woman sounding good. Now I know she gets mad at me.
It will be really good. We will have more solo country with this song.
I can tell you're just like God. You had me shocked. 난 또 살고 있어 머릿속 drama. Who told me love would come down like a million rocks? The rock you came in was an alibi. You and I, we have the same disguise. The said you kept the 깔았었잖아. 또 밤이 올 때까지 carry right. You are rock star. Without you, I'll always feel alone. When I'm lost, you got me home. You
My
nothing is about me. You're number 106 and not default. You are my rock star. Nothing is about me. You're number 106. Don't you know, I'm 694. You're a rock star. Nothing is about me, you're number 106 and I'm 94.
So that's 200. We listen to na una to sa Fracture and 82%. So, gata to guys, only we listen to. And
Place you wanna go to?
next one guys. Sobrang, isa sa favorites ko to. Journey Mercies. Sobrang ang ganda talaga nito. Intro pa lang. Sobrang ganda nito. Yung vocals niya.
Your heart still has a space for me. I put on my coat for some women that said that the clouds would cry. Remember how every time they would make me show up in the sun. 1, 2, 3. You were always what I needed.
Very nice.
You form all these useless feelings without supposed to pay. Little did I know what that means. My life is in pieces, but you can always put it back together in your perfect. I want you to be my everything. Make sure that I'm broken if you leave. My heart is the pieces, I'll make
Little more specific. Sobrang ganda. Ito din, wala kong favorite ko.
Time is limited and I'm not finished yet. 시간 속에서 무너진 나의 잠을 지우려 너는 목적이 like holding evidence. I'm just grabbing cause you make my story so interesting. 기억이란 건 뭘까? Is it a gift? I'm running from my
Pag
own
mga bar,
bakit?
Hindi mo naging favorite sa album na ito. Mark doesn't usually do during that sugar. Put it back together with the brightness. Ganda nito yung bahay. Sobrang ganda nito. Sobrang nagigigil ako guys. So that's Journey Mercy. Sobrang ganda nito. This is really my one more favorite. Ang ganda-ganda ng lyrics. Next one guys. It's Mama Lee. This is Mama Lee. It's Mama Lee guys.
멜로디 내가 엄마가 찾았잖아.
It's Mama Lee.
앨범이 이제 막 어쨌든 신앙적인 거를 담고 싶다라는 걸 처음 들었을 때 어땠어?
나는 너 걱정 안 할만 진짜 있어.
마음이 쉽지 않고
이 생각하는 느낌? 아, 얘 이제 정했구나. 그래서 이제 얘 진짜 걱정할 게 없고 건강만 생각하면 되겠구나 그 생각.
확실히 그게 달라지긴 하지.
본인이 아이덴티티가 그냥 딱 정해진 것 같아. 그리고 8년 동안 네 제목처럼 열매라고 난 생각해. 네가 그런 마음으로 그 제목을 한 게 나는 오히려 맞네.
Pwede na ako ng pamilya. Hindi.
정신 못 먹어.
That's Mama Lee guys. Next song. This is the last song. Too much.
I'm so glad you love me.
Ballad. Wala tawag.
You're the only one who holds me. I
Sobrang
can't
cute ko
understand what
talaga. Basta
love
pag
is now. 'Cause you
sa album
showed
ko
me
ng
what
favorite
love looks like.
ko,
My whole life has been a blessing since 1999.
siyempre maganda din yung mga dance. Pero ito talaga yung mga songs na ito. Di madalas yung ginagawa ng live. So, position ko sa yung sing. Sobrang ganda ka ng vocals. Cause you love too much, always. Ganda diba? Too much, always.
Yes, I love you too much,
Always.
Yeah, kill the verse. This is coming from the heart, ain't from media. I'm a believer with a mic speaker, keep close speaker. I try to be the words, but the world is not sorry. I know how the rhythm goes, I know how the rhythm flows, I know how we're robbing on, I know how they want me talking, but I know that isn't from above and no shadow roll. So just always gotta know that your love is too much, always. I know you love me too much, always. I'm telling myself today, it's finding you is worth everything. Cause your love is too much, always. Oh, your love is too much, always. Yes, your love is too much, always. Oh, your love, yeah. Always wanted to be that person, was inside the mirror. From Toronto, I was even cool, so I wake up. All my life, all my life, I've been trying to find out who it was. All my life, I've been wanting way more than what the world could ever give. Yeah, I took no way to love, put it in a proof. I'ma live it through, but I'ma see the red. I was saying so that is too much, always. I know you love me too much, always. I'm telling myself today, it's finding you is worth everything. Yes, your love is too much, always. Oh, your love, yeah, more than I could ever imagine. Too much, always. Yeah, that I could never imagine. Too much, always. Yeah, alright. Too much, always.
So that's the last song for the album, Too Much. This is really one of my favorites. Overall, no skip. Sobrang ganda lahat. Very marky. This is just him. Literally him. If I was with my favorite, I think everything is good. But Journey Mercy is really written so well. The melody is so good. You know, just no skip for this album. Literally perfect. Just Martin. That's all. Bye. Thank you, Palito. Bye.